Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your VPN connects and then automatically disconnects on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the network adapter section in here, and then right click on your network connection that's listed in here, and select Properties. Select the Power Management tab, and then where it says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, you want to go ahead and uncheck that option. And then once you've done that, go ahead and select OK, and then see if that's resolved the problem. Something else you may want to consider here as well would be just to reset your network settings back to default. And then once you restart Windows, you can go enter or connect back to your VPN service. So in order to reset our VPN settings, you can just open up the search menu and type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. So this will remove and then reinstall all of your network drivers and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. Save and close out of any open programs and applications on your computer, and then proceed to restart your device. So there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.